to you this week from Fairhope, Alabama, and we are staying at the Escapees Rainbow Plantation RV Park.
Yeah, we're staying here at their dry camping. It's less than $10 a night at their parks. It's our first time at an Escapees park, and so far we're really liking it.
So the main reason that we are here is because we are visiting our good friends Kyle and Olivia, also known as Drivin and Vibin. We first met Kyle and Olivia probably about a year and a half to almost 2 years ago out in Idaho. We ended up boondocking at the same place, kind of on happenstance, and we've been friends ever since. We do road gear reviews with them. We've crossed paths with them a number of times out in Quartzsite and in California. But it's been over a year since we've last seen them, so we are really enjoying being able to hang out with them and spend a little time helping them out.
Yeah, we're helping them with a big project. They are remodeling an Airstream Argosy. They're completely remodeling it. We are actually helping them build a frame to support the shell so that we can remove the shell from the frame of the RV itself and do some repairs on the frame, which is a big project. Definitely head over to their channel so you can see the videos they're putting together about how we're doing that. But it's a lot of fun, and it's nice to be able to hang out with them. We will try to do another video with them later in the week before we head out of here.
Besides working on the Airstream though, we've been doing some fun stuff. We learned how to eat crawfish, which is a big deal around here.
Yeah, we've never tried crawfish before, but that was a lot of fun.
Yep.
And we're hoping to go see Kyle perform, as he's a musician and he plays locally a lot, so we're hoping to go see him do that.
Yeah, and if you're in the area, definitely check out some of his performance dates. I think you can also find that over on their YouTube channel. So a couple of quick reminders. Today is the last day to be a part of the WeBoost Drive 4GX giveaway. So if you haven't already signed up, definitely head over to the link down in the description below to enter your email address and get signed up for that contest, because we are announcing the winner next week.
Yeah. Also be sure to head over and get your shirt if you want one. The Explore shirt, it's only available for one more day. Tomorrow at midnight we will be closing the sales of this, and it will not be available again. It is a one-time only thing.
We have been so excited about this campaign because so many of you guys have shown your love and support, and we're almost at 100 shirts as I say this right now. So can we break that?
We've been working on all kinds of content for you guys. We got a lot of stuff planned, and you're gonna see them in the next couple days, so definitely stick around.
Yeah, a lot of you guys have been asking about our flooring video, which is coming very soon. And last week we mentioned our Truma hot water heater, which has been working great, but we want to give you the full scoop in a detailed video, so that is also coming soon.
I've also got my solar phase 2 video almost ready, so we can show you guys what the Tesla battery installed in the RV actually looks like.
So after our stay here, at the end of the week, we'll be on the road again, moving towards our end destination, which is the location of the RV Nomads movie shoot.
We are super excited for that. Be sure to head over if you're interested in coming to Nomad Fest as well, to the link below and check that out. You can get a 10% discount if you use the coupon code Morton as well for your tickets.
Yes, and we would love to see you guys there. We're going to be working really hard on this for basically the next 6 months to make sure that that event and this movie is going to be awesome. And as part of that, we have something to share with you guys, something kind of fun.
We got a new toy. Well, it's not really a new toy. It's the drone that we're going to be filming a lot of the scenes for the movie with, and we've been learning to fly this together because it's a dual operator unit, but with some practice we should be able to create some really amazing aerial shots.
So what is this drone?
So this is the DJI Inspire. We're going to be carrying the X5 camera, which has a much larger sensor on it and is going to be able to give us a much better picture quality and depth of field than we've had in our previous videos. So we're really excited to try this out.
So that's where we're going to end it today, you guys. We're going to go fly this thing, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.